I get home from Nashville. I haven't been keeping up with Walking Dead because, yes, that's a crank, because I've been really busy, so I've been, next story. So I literally haven't seen an episode of Walking Dead since this season premiere. I don't even know how I let that happen. I don't even know. I can't. So I found out what happened this week. Guess what happens? Episode won't play past the opening credits. Not even on demand. Did anybody else run into this problem? I'm also not the type of person to just be like, meh, fuck it, I'm gonna watch episode 3. Because I was like, can I be that person? Let's see if I can be that person. And so then I tried to watch episode 3, and it did like flashbacks of like, what happened in episode 2? And I was like, nope, can't do it. So now I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. How do I watch episode 2? Do I have to buy it? I'm so freaking cheap, it's not even funny. But at least I have tacos. Well, at least I have 2 more tacos. Also, I'm sick, so I'm like, not the time to piss me off, DirecTV. Not the time to piss me off. Where is episode 2 of The Walking Dead? Sorry, DirecTV. You just lost a customer for the night of watching you. I'm moving to Netflix to watch and finish American Vandal.
Which is assigned a color. The 2 teams then compete in various challenges to earn points.
I want to cry. I just realized I left 2 boxes of Goo Goo Clusters on the plane. I bought 3. I ate them on the plane, but I left